In today's video, I'll teach you how to uninstall Gel app. So if you want to uninstall the Gel app, it is actually very simple and the process will vary according to the device that you're using. Right now I'm using the Android phone. So if you want to uninstall it, what you have to do is find the Gel application in the home screen or simply open the app library of your device. After you do that, what you have to do is find the application for Gel. Simply long press on the application Gel. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info over here. In some of the devices, you'll be able to find the option for uninstall in this interface only. Simply tap on it. If not, what you have to do is tap on this option, app info. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Gel. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, what you have to do is find the option for uninstall and tap on it. Now confirmation message will pop up. Do you want to uninstall this app? Tap on this option, OK. Now you can see over here the Gel application has been uninstalled. So that is how you uninstall Gel app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.